Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to your 10th class mathematics lecture. In this lecture, we will cover again the exercise 2.1, question 5, 6 and 7. Question number 5 is, show that the equation x square plus mx plus c whole square is equals to a square has an equal root if c square equals to a square into 1 plus m square. Now we have to prove taking this equation, the first part, and then prove the second part. Taking this equation, the answer should be c square equals to a square into 1 plus m square. So now we will take the equation x square plus mx plus c whole square equals to a square. First of all, we have to solve the brackets and we will open the square of mx plus c. It will be opened using the formula a plus b whole square, where a is mx and b is c. So the equation will become x square plus m square x square plus 2mcx plus c square, and this a square has come to the left side of the equation and it has become minus a square equals to 0. I have arranged the terms of square and x as the first two terms were having the variable x square with it, so I have taken it as a common digit. X square is common, so nothing left here, so I have put 1 plus m square is the remainder plus mcx. 2mcx will remain the same. I have written 2mc in a bracket to show that x, the coefficient with x will be b, and c square minus a square is also shown in bracket, which is indicating the value of c. So now the variable, the coefficient with the variable x square, 1 plus m square is a, 2mc is b, and c square minus a square is c. We have to prove that whether the roots are equal or not equal to this equation. We will take the discriminant equals to 0. We will put the value of b, 2mc whole square minus 4 into 1 plus m square into c square minus a square. We will open the square of 2mc and we will multiply 1 plus m square with c square minus. Now we will open the square of 2mc. It would be 4m square c square. Minus 4 will remain the same, as first of all we have to multiply the two brackets. 1 will get multiplied with c square and the answer will be c square. 1 into minus a square will be minus a square plus m square, and plus c square after multiplication will give the answer of plus m square c square, and plus m square and minus a square will give the answer of minus m square a square, as plus minus is minus. In the next step we will multiply minus 4 with all the digits inside the bracket. So as there is minus sign outside the bracket, so all the digits signs will get changed. C square will become minus 4c square, minus a square will become plus 4a square, minus plus m square c square will become minus 4m square c square, and minus m square a square will become plus 4m square a square. Now you can see here is plus 4m square c square and here is minus 4m square c square. Both are the same digits having the opposite signs, so they will get cancelled with each other. The remainders are minus 4c square plus 4a square plus 4m square a square equals to 0. So we have put the remainder here only. As 4c square is having the negative sign with it, I'll take it to the other side of the equation to make it positive. So 4a square plus 4m square a square equals to 4ac. From the left side, can you see any common digit? Yes, 4 is common and a square is common. So I'll take it 4a square common, bracket, nothing remains, so 1 plus m square is the remainder. Taking this 4 to the other side of the equation, 4 will get cancelled with 4. So our answer will be c square equals to a square into 1 plus m square. Both the sides 4's get cancelled and I have arranged it in a sequence as given in the question. Question number 6 is, find the condition that the roots of the equation mx plus c whole square minus 4ax equal to 0 are real. We have to take this equation. After the application of the perfect square, we have to find the value of any variable involved. Obviously it won't be x because after applying the discriminant x हमारा बाकी नहीं रहता. We will only be left with m, c और a. So we will look for a condition कि in place of m, c या a इनमें से किसी एक की जगह कोई और value replace करने से our answer should become equals to 0. In short, we simply have to apply all the possible steps in the question, and we will at the end we will get the answer. So taking the equation mx plus c whole square minus 4ax equals to 0. First of all, we will open the brackets and apply the formula mx plus c whole square, which will be a plus b whole square, where a is mx and b is c. So a square is m square x square and b square is c square, and 2ab is 2mcx. Minus 4ax will remain the same, equals to 0. First of all, we have to arrange it. Because x square, there is no other x square but 2mcx and 4ax are the same digits having the same variable, which is x. So I'll arrange it. Minus 4ac will come with 2mcx and plus c square will go to the end of the equation. Now we will take common from the middle two terms as x is the common digit. ये हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? हम ये इसलिए कर रहे हैं because we have to get all the digits, but we are not able to get x with it. When we apply the discriminant, we don't need x. We only take the value of b as the digits which are having x, but we won't put x there. तो x हमने common ले लिया ताकि हमें पता चल जाए that 2mc minus 4a is actually the value of b. Now taking the values of a, x square के साथ the coefficient is m square, the coefficient with x is 2mc minus 4a, and the constant term is c square. We will apply this discriminant b square, which is 2mc minus 4a whole square minus 4ac, a is m square and c is c square. We will open the brackets. A square is 2mc whole square, which is 4c square m square, and b square will be 4a whole square, which will be 16a square, and multiplying 2ab we will get 16cma. Multiplying 4m square c square we will get minus 4c square m square. That is the last step. Again you can see 4 plus 4c square m square and minus 4c square m square. They both can get cancelled with each other because they are the same digits with the opposite signs. So we will be remain with minus 16cma plus 16a square equals to 0. Now what are the common digits? 16 is the common digit as we can see normally, and a square and a, the lesser power we take common. So the lesser power is a. So 16a is the common digit. Here a remains, so we will write it inside the bracket. Minus will remain the same and cm will remain the same. Taking 16a to the other side of the equation will become equals to 0. A minus cm equals to 0. So taking cm to the right side of the equation, our answer will be a is equals to cm or a is equals to mc. Here, if we, in the original equation, if we replace a with cm and apply all the things that we have done earlier, the answer will be equals to 0. Coming to the seventh part, if the roots of the equation, this is the equation, are real, then a is equals to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. They are asking us to solve the first equation and to get the answer, to get these two answers. The first is a is equals to 0 and the second is a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. So we will take the equation c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc into x plus 2 plus bracket b square minus ac equals to 0. We will take the values of a, b and c. A will be c square minus ab, b will be minus 2 into a square minus bc, and c will be b square minus ac. Applying the discriminant, when the roots are equal, obviously the discriminant is equal to 0, so b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Applying the values, instead of writing b square, we will write minus 2 into a square minus 4 into minus 2 into a square minus bc whole square minus 4 into c square minus ab into b square minus ac. The square of minus is plus and 2 is 4, and the square of a square minus bc will apply the formula of a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab minus b square If you open it, you will get the answer of a4 minus 2a square bc plus b square c square. Minus 4 will remain the same as we have to first multiply the brackets. After multiplying the brackets, we will get b square c square minus ac cube minus ab cube plus a square bc equals to 0. In the next step, we will multiply 4 and minus 4 with the digits inside the bracket. This will be our answer. Here you can see that there is some common digits here as well. 4 b square c square and minus 4 b square c square. Again, two same digits with opposite signs, they will get cancelled with each other. So the remaining things are 4a4 minus 4a square bc plus 4a square cube plus 4ab cube minus 4a square b and c equals to 0. That is the remaining equation. I have added minus 8a square b square with minus 4a square b square, which will become minus 12a square b square bc. In the whole equation, we can see that 4 is the common digit, as 12 is also divisible by 4, and all the digits are having a with it. So I have taken 4a common from all the 4 terms. So after taking 4a, the remainder inside the bracket from 4a4 is a cube. Minus will remain the same, 4 3 times 12, so we will write 3. A is outside the bracket, so 1a will be inside and bc with it, plus 4 and a are outside, so c cube. Again 4 and a are outside the bracket, so b cube will be there inside the bracket. Now we will split. 4a equals to 0 and a cube minus 3abc plus c cube plus b cube equals to 0. Taking 4 to the other side, a will become equals to 0, and taking minus 3bc to the other side, this will be our answers. A equals to 0 and a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. We had to prove these two terms, and after the application of all the possibilities, we have got the answer, that is a equals to 0 and a square plus a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. So the question has been proved.